Yes, my brother. Happy birthday. You are now 43. That is a very good age in the circumstances in which we are. I want to wish you happy birthday and wish you and all of us to change the country this year, whether they like it or not. We must win with 2/3 majority. And you'll be saying, when I got to this level, I was 43. That is a good age. Enjoy, do whatever you want, but be ready that we must have our 2/3 as a black majority in this country. Then we'll sort out other things thereafter. Thank you very much indeed. Enjoy.